listen to me and write. Okay, children. So first one, sender's address without name, that we have written. Next one, what is the next one? Receiver's address with designation. And next one is subject. What is the subject? How to write a subject? Suppose whether it is a complaint letter or letter to the editor, whatever it may be, the subject will be the first letter type. That means complaint letter means what word will come there? Complaint. Complaint about what we are going to share here? It is about a mobile phone. How to write that one? You write complaint about the mobile phone. What is the subject then? Complaint about the mobile phone. Right fast children, complaint about the mobile phone. So subject is over. What is the next one? Say Ritika. I will unmute you. Say the next one, child. Ritika. Can you hear me, Ritika?
Body of the letter.
After,
Body, ma'am. Paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3.
Listen carefully and say after the subject what want to come there. Who can say? Raise your hands.
Body, ma'am. Like, dear sir.
Salutation. That is what is known as salutation. Understand? So write the salutation. How to write the salutation? Usually we will write salutation, respected sir. But yesterday I told what sir you want to write? Dear sir. Danny Sherlin, listen here. Dear sir. Understand what is the most salutation? Dear sir. You write dear sir there. Next only what will come there? Body of the letter. So body of the letter, how many parts are there for body of the letter? There are 3 parts are there. You show your fingers children. Mohammed, Mogundan, Navaneet, Dev, Pranish and I can see. Yes. 3 parts are there. First one is introduction. So everything you are starting to write near to the margin only. Okay, today you take the snaps and send it to me after the class. So see children, first whatever complaint letter we are writing about an instrument or a thing other than a situation, we should give one reference. Understood? So if it is a mobile phone, what is the reference will be? Mobile phone. For mobile phone, what is the reference? For mobile phone, the reference is the model number. Understand children? Model number. So how we will write? We are going to start our letter. This is with reference to the mobile phone. Write fast. This is with reference to the mobile phone. This is with reference to the mobile phone. Danish Sherling, can you hear me properly? This is with reference to the mobile phone that I had brought from your shop. That I had brought from your shop with the bill number, with WITH, with the bill number. Any bill number we can give. Okay, so you can write bill number should be the name, the abbreviation. It should be abbreviation. It should be the name of the shop. You write like this. EI, Electronics India, that abbreviation, EI, capital EI. Five six seven zero. So that is our mobile reference number. Got it? 5670 dated. So we are writing the letter 17th April. It should be the last month. Dated 18th March 2000XX. Dated 18th March 2000XX. So that is our introduction. Why we are writing or what is our issue? Understood? Bill number you can write Priyadarshini, Hemavarshini. You can write any number pa. That is not an issue. Okay, for 5-digit number or 4-digit number, you can write anything. Swadi, you come to near to the range place pa. Okay. All others, can you hear me? Kirti, Mugundan, Harshini and all audible to me? Can I audible to you children? Okay. So this is our first paragraph. Next paragraph. Leave one line to start next paragraph. You leave one line and start from the right side. Start from the left side, left alignment. So what is the next? Our problem we are going to express. I regret to inform you that I regret R-E-G-R-E-T, regret to inform you that the touch system of the mobile is not working properly. Full stop. Next sentence. I am unable to operate any function in the mobile. I am unable to operate any function in the mobile. So this is our content part. Okay, but it is only a fundamental. So only I am giving some 2, 2, 3, 3 sentences. But once it comes for 10 marks, you can add more sentences using your creativity. Understood? Sandhya, can you hear me, Sandhya? Yes. Then next paragraph. So that is a conclusion paragraph. Leave one line, start from the left side of the next line. I request you to, so conclusion. Ritika, listen here. I request you to, what we are going to request to him? I request you to look into the matter. Look, L-O-O-K. Look into the matter. Look into the matter and replace the mobile. And replace the mobile. Next, so our content is over. Body of the letter is over. 3 paragraphs. I go only 2-3 sentences for your understanding. Once you are reading the material, you will understand how to write it in an elaborate way. Understand, children? So next, yours sincerely, faithfully. You write sincerely. Yours. That also left side of the margin. Y should be capital. Y-O-U-R-S. Y-O-U-R-S without Kausalya, listen here. Y-O-U-R-S without apostrophe. Yours, there is no apostrophe. Okay, children? Y-O-U-R-S. Yours, sincerely. Sincerely, yes, should be small letter. S-I-N-C-E-R-E-L-Y. Boys, you write the name as Sunil. Girls, you write the name as Sadhana. Understand? Got it, children? This is the Swati, listen. This is the format of a formal letter. This is the complaint letter. It's a complaint letter. Understood, children? How many components are there? Any formal letter, there are 8 components. So time is going to up. If you have any queries and worries, you just message to me. Okay, children? Any doubt? Because of the network connection, I cannot share the boy's name. Sunil, today you will get the material. I showed no screenshot one letter that you will get as your material for reference today. And based on this one, you will get one question for the homework also. Yesterday, I saw so many of you send the snaps to me. I am very happy that you are following my words. Okay, children? Thank you. I think only 2 minutes left. If any doubts, you just send it to chat box. Girl's name, Sadhana, S-A-D-H-A-N-A. S-A-D-H-N-A. Divya Darshan, any doubt? So doubts, now time is up, children. You have to send me doubt or you can call me. Yesterday 2-3 children, they called me. Okay, after 10:30 you call me. Next time going for the 10th class. After 10:30 you can call me. Otherwise with your name you can send a message also. I will attend your queries. Okay. See, another one thing here now also I can see so many of you are keeping your pet name. My likewise. So you changed it as your name. Understand? Then only you will get to the attendance. Write your full name. This emojis and all no need. What is that? Paint, cracker emoji and all keeping there. That and all no need. So thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, Vishnu.
Okay, bye.
I have one.
You want to send the homework to you or class teacher, ma'am?
No, what you're doing or not. Okay.
You want to send the homework to class teacher, ma'am?
To me, you say, Pa.
Kumar.